Hello, good morning students. Myself TP Singh, English language expert. Today I am going to teach you the third chapter of English grammar of 11th and 12th classes, transformation of sentences. As you know that this chapter is very important for both 11th and 12th classes. Before teaching about this chapter, I want to tell you what the real meaning of transformation. As you know that most famous grammarian named Nasfield has given his opinion about transformation. According to him, to transform a sentence is to change it from one grammatical form to another without altering its sense. It means in Hindi, वाक्य के एक रूप को उसके मूल अर्थ में परिवर्तन के बिना दूसरे रूप में बदल देने को ही ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ सेंटेंसेस कहते हैं. सपोज योर नेम इज आलोक. यू आर इन व्हाइट ड्रेस. सटरडे यू आर इन ब्लैक ड्रेस एंड टुमारो यू विल बी इन येलो ड्रेस. बट इन स्पाइट ऑफ चेंजिंग ऑल दीज थ्री ड्रेसेस, you are Alok. In the same way, when we transform one sentence into another, we change only outer structure of the sentence. The real meaning of the sentence will be same. For example, and as you know that in this chapter, there are so many rules like removing and replacing adverb to interchanging of active voice into passive voice, degrees of comparison, and affirmative into negative, assertive into interrogative, assertive into exclamatory. There are so many parts of this chapter. But first of all, my dear student, you must know what is the real meaning of transformation. Suppose I taught you about this chapter, and whenever or wherever anybody asks you what the real meaning of transformation, you must satisfy that person by giving proper and satisfactory answer. It means transformation means to change it from one grammatical form to another without altering its sense. वाक्य के एक रूप को बिना उसके मूल अर्थ में परिवर्तन किए बिना दूसरे बदल देने को ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ सेंटेंसेस. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू give you example. He writes a letter to his father. This sentence is in active voice. When we transform this sentence to passive voice, a letter is written to his father by him. My dear student, as you know that the outer structure of both sentences are different, but the real meaning of both sentences are equal. He writes a letter to his father. In Hindi, वो अपने पिता को पत्र लिखता है. And when we transform this sentence to passive voice, a letter is written to his father by him. एक पत्र उसको लिखा था उसके द्वारा पिता को लिखा जाता है. Real meaning of sentence both. Second example, they invite us. In this sentence, they is subject, invite is verb, and us is you may say that object. We are invited by them. It means when we change active voice into passive voice, we follow the rules of voice. And as you know that in intermediate classes, active passive is not free chapter. This belongs from our main chapter, transformation of sentences, and you must know about the real meaning of transformation. And my friend, I want to tell you that while I teach you, your concentration must present towards my lecture, so that you may be able to grasp all my lecture mind in proper sequence. You must be punctual, be regular towards my class, so that you can be able to grasp all my lecture in your mind in proper sequence. And after then, you can be able to satisfy anybody, and you yourself will be satisfied when you grasp all my lecture in your mind in proper sequence. Because if you want to become as an ideal student, it is your liability, it is your responsibility as a good student, that you must try to know all the matters of transformation proper way. Hello, my dear student, आज की क्लास में बस इतना ही. नेक्स्ट आगे I will give you most important rules for transformation. And if you like this channel English Language TV, sir, subscribe it and like video. Thank you.